You're good. Okay, we are back after the advanced monitor wasn't charged. So here you can see our lights are on. Again, we have our wiring hooked up here. Now we're doing the wiring on the on the well watch. So we've brought our sensor power in, positive and negative, to the power in, 12 VDC and ground. Now we're going to bring these two, our sense cables, to the 4 to milli 20 amp outputs. So on the left is our positive and on the right is our negative. Looking at our wiring diagram, the positive is what's connected to the positive, red to blue, and our yellow is going to the sense negative. So again, if we bend these wires, that's helpful. You can also hear that we turned the advanced monitor on, so the unit is attempting to collect data. Okay, so these cables should be transmitting the data in the advanced monitor. That's wrong. We'll take this offline.
That's okay. Can you still see the screen on there and show the variables?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's do that. Okay, so now that everything's powered up and connected, we can hear our system's searching because it's not connected to a closed pipe. It's searching. We want to change some of the settings. In order to do this, we're using this as the example pipe, but you would normally use your borehole casing characteristics. And you put the there's different fittings. These have to be installed according to the guidelines into the borehole. In this case, we're using this as an example, and we expect to see a value. 20 feet. In order to make these changes, we have this form. I'll go ahead and show a video of the 27 system settings and talk through each one, or the important ones. So the first thing we need to hit is set our, okay. Every time we hit set, it goes through each setting. So we hit set once, we see our product info. We don't do anything. The unit ID we can adjust, but it doesn't matter. The minimum range is something we need to set. But before we do this, we want to change our units. So I'm going to hit the settings button 23 times until I get to units. You'll notice it was previously in feet, English feet. We can hit the up area, up, feet, inches, metric. So we want metric, and we hit enter and set. So now, as I continue to hit this, we hit save settings, stored. So we're now in the metric mode, and now we can do our inputs. If you want this in imperial, you can put it in whatever units you want. For the case of this video, we're doing metric. So again, we click settings, we go through unit ID, minimum range. In this case, we'll set it to 20 meters. We want this value is not that important, but it just gives a approximation for the Eno, the well watch, to know what to look for. So we shouldn't get a value less than 20 meters. That would be well above even our static water